The drone community is ecstatic as a result of a recent tweet that has sparked a surge of anticipation and speculation. The tweet includes a video frame that depicts a drone with a sticker, which is situated next to a container. This image has piqued the interest of enthusiasts. The identity of this drone has been the subject of widespread speculation due to the fact that its design does not correspond to either the DJI Air 3 or the Mavic 3 Pro. The tweet was posted by Jasper Ellens, a well-known figure in the drone community, who speculated that a public beta tester left his Mavic 4 inches before adding, "Could this be the widely desired 1 inch?" This comment has generated significant discussion and even some confusion. To understand the excitement surrounding this, it's essential to delve into the specifics of drone sensors and what this potential new release might mean for users. First, consider the context of the Mavic series. The Mavic 3, a highly respected model, features a 4x3 sensor. This sensor size is larger than the 1-inch sensor typically found in other models, which generally translates to better image quality, especially in low-light conditions. On the surface, a move to a 1-inch sensor for the rumored Mavic 4 might seem like a step backward. However, this isn't necessarily the case, as a closer look at the DJI Air series reveals. The DJI Air 3, the latest in the Air lineup, introduced 2 smaller sensors, a departure from its predecessor which had a single larger sensor. Many in the drone community viewed this as a downgrade in terms of image quality. A 1-inch sensor in the Air series would represent a significant upgrade, aligning with the desires of many users who seek improved performance in this category. This is likely why Ellen's mention of a 1-inch sensor has attracted so much attention. The drone in the image shared by Ellen appears to have an airframe design that resembles the Air series, but the camera block looks more like the larger, more advanced block found on the Mavic 3 series. This hybrid appearance has fueled speculation that this could be a new Air model with Mavic-level capabilities, or perhaps an entirely new direction for DJI. Adding to the intrigue is a recent incident reported by Drone DJI about an apparent fake leak of the Air trees. Although this leak wasn't corroborated by reliable sources, that stirred up the community, leading to ongoing discussions about potential new releases. The timing of this incident, coupled with Ellen's recent tweet, has led many enthusiasts to speculate about the possible debut of both an Air 3s and a Mavic 4. Jasper Ellens is known for being a reliable source in the drone community, lending credibility to his speculation. He might be hinting at a true 1-inch sensor in the context of photography, as opposed to the video-oriented 1-inch sensors typically discussed. In the video industry, a 1-inch sensor is somewhat of a misnomer, referring to a sensor size of 13.2 by 8.8 mm, which is actually half an inch on the long side. This discrepancy, a historical artifact, can confuse discussions about sensor sizes. Ellen's speculation about the 1-inch sensor could mean that secondary cameras in the new model will feature this size, which would be an upgrade from the current offerings. Even in a secondary camera, the idea of a 1-inch sensor would be a significant enhancement, offering better image quality and more versatility for drone photographers and videographers. Ellen has also hinted at a potential launch date, suggesting August 1st. This speculation adds another layer of anticipation as the drone community eagerly awaits official announcements from DJI. If the rumored features and improvements come to fruition, the new models could represent a significant leap forward for both the Air and Mavic series. In conclusion, the drone community is buzzing with excitement and speculation, driven largely by Jasper Ellen's intriguing tweet that has ignited discussions across various platforms. This tweet, featuring a mysterious drone that doesn't fit the profiles of current models like the DJI Air 3 or the Mavic 3 Pro, has left enthusiasts and experts alike speculating about what DJI might have in store. The mention of a potential 1-inch sensor, along with the possibility of a new Mavic 4 or an advanced Air model, has only added to the anticipation, as these developments could represent significant advancements in drone technology. The excitement surrounding these potential releases is not just about the introduction of new models, it's about what these models could mean for the future of drone technology. A 1-inch sensor, if confirmed, would offer improved image quality and versatility, addressing the needs of both amateur and professional drone operators. The speculation about combining the design elements of the Air series with the advanced camera capabilities of the Mavic series hints at a possible shift in DJI's strategy, potentially blurring the lines between different product lines and offering users the best of both worlds. Moreover, the broader implications of these developments cannot be overlooked as DJI continues to push the boundaries of what's possible with consumer and professional drones. This rumored model could set new standards in the industry. The integration of advanced sensors, improved flight capabilities, and perhaps even new software features could pave the way for drones that are not only more powerful but also more accessible to a wider audience. This could have a ripple effect, influencing competitors to innovate and raising the overall standard for drone technology. The timing of these rumors is also significant, with the drone industry rapidly evolving and new players entering the market. DJI's ability to stay ahead of the curve is crucial. The potential launch of new models with cutting-edge features would reinforce DJI's position as a leader in the industry and could also introduce new trends in drone design and functionality that others may follow. As the drone community eagerly awaits more information, the sense of anticipation is palpable. Enthusiasts are already imagining the possibilities from enhanced aerial photography to improved autonomous flight capabilities. The prospect of a new DJI Air model with a 1-inch sensor or a Mavic 4 with unprecedented features is more than just exciting. It's a glimpse into the future of drone technology. In the coming months, as more details emerge, the excitement is likely to build even further, whether these rumors lead to the unveiling of a groundbreaking new model or not. The discussion they have sparked highlights the passionate and engaged nature of the drone community. For drone fans, this is a thrilling time filled with possibilities, and the potential advancements on the horizon promise to make the wait worthwhile. The next chapter in DJI's story is about to unfold, and it could very well redefine what drones are capable of in ways that will resonate throughout the industry for years to come. So, that's all about the upcoming DJI Mavic 4 Pro. Do let us know what you think about this. As for everything else, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon if you want more content like this on your feed.